What'd you find, Lo?
What?
What'd you find?
I felt the fish, but then it swam really,
Daddy,
really fast in my hand.
Can this be water?
Dad, this is a little waterfall, Dad. Let me point to the part that's a little waterfall. This little part, right, Daddy?
Yes. Goes right down the rock.
Fishing.
It's a long stream that goes all the way down.
Fishing.
Lucas fishing, nice.
The water feels really, really nice and refreshing. Cold it.
It's very cold. It's coming from the mountains.
I'm gonna stand here.
No, I wouldn't do that.
Why?
Don't ruin those shoes, honey.
Okay.
So you love.
Daddy, do you know why I brought gloves? Because there's water that I didn't want to get my hands wet.
Look,
That's why I brought
you can actually
gloves.
feel it. But I'm gonna feel the water. Then I find rocks, and then I
Just
feel
don't
them.
hit.
Daddy, I
feel
find rocks
it.
again. Oh, I feel it.
Daddy, I am totally fishing.
I see you
Daddy,
fishing.
look, I got one.
I see you. Caught a fish?
Watch out.
Daddy, I didn't get any fishes yet.
Good job.
Right.
Watch your stick. Take care of your stick. See that? Now you wouldn't want to step on that, right? Because look how far you'd go down, right? So tell Daddy something about our nature walk today.
We had fun, guys. I'm sure that you guys haven't seen the whole rest of the video, but the video was really fun, guys.
Yeah, Dad. Like, we didn't get to see the water, but we had a ride. And Daddy, I want to say, Daddy, can I tell you something? Like, can we go somewhere to eat after we pass the water off for a while?
Yes, if Lil gets out of the water, we can.
I got it out.
Because we don't want to have wet shoes.
Yeah, we don't want to have wet shoes while we're going somewhere to eat.
That's right. All right, well, I love you guys. We had a fun nature walk today.
Now I have to
Can I have a hug?
one more fish.
Lucas fishing
Oh,
over there.
I almost got it.
Good job.
Bye, Heart Channel. Bye, Hearts. Bye, Channel Hearts. We'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.
Love you guys.